look so cute, honey. Styling. Ooh. You like being cold? Okay. That is seriously the first time I've ever heard anybody in Minnesota say, I like to be cold. Who likes to be cold? It's seriously like 20 degrees out right now, and it's freezing and the wind is super strong.
Excited?
Hurt.
And I was not well dressed for this occasion. My face is blotchy.
It's 19 degrees out.
Yeah.
Doesn't that mean it's like -10?
Oh, it's 19. Well, let's stay with wind chills. Click on it. Oh, my nose is running.
Okay, so how far was that walk?
Like
half a mile walk. See, I can barely talk. I'm like frozen. It's -1, but
yeah.
that's not with.
That's with wind chill. -1, yeah. -1 out with wind chill, guys. And I was just wearing this leather coat with no gloves, no hat, and just jeans, and
I didn't have gloves either, but I put my hands in my. Like how? You guys don't move to Minnesota unless you love the cold, because I was not built for this. Seriously.
Here, Mommy, this will freeze your hair.
What? What? Your hands aren't cold? Not that bad though. We're literally gonna sit here for like 10 minutes before we do anything.
Yeah, we gotta thaw out before we put this food in the oven.
For real though.
Can we get something to eat after this?
Yeah, but oh my god, my ears.
My face is actually frozen to the point where it's affecting its like shape.
Yeah, you're white. Holy cow.
What's wrong with being white? Huh?
Are you dying? What the? Why are you so white?
I can't help how my mom made me. I'm white.
Oh, look how dark I am.
Because you've been tanning.
3 times.
Yeah,
I just naturally have a little bit of a.
Look at me.
Yeah, you're lucky. You're lucky you have parents that love you so much. You know that?
You were bundled up.
She was bundled. She had her coat. I put a pajama, really fuzzy, warm pajama.
Are wearing coats.
I put a really warm, fuzzy pajama shirt on her, like a long sleeve one. And then I put pants on her and her boots. I was gonna put leg warmers on her, but I took them off because I thought they looked silly. And then she got her coat on and she had a big hat. She was wearing my hat. She was wearing my gloves.
Her hood.
And then she had her hood on and she had her blanket, and then we were carrying her, so...
Here's the hat that I was wearing.
Yes, that's it. Are you warming up a little bit now?
No, it's still really cold.
Well, why don't you come up here with Mommy?
It's really cold.
Come here. You want to sit up here for a minute? Are you starting to be better now?
No, I'm really cold.
I'm getting a lot of hate. Everyone's like, yeah, John, you need to go to the gym, blah, blah, blah. Everybody's like, yeah, I gotta go to the gym.
Mommy, I'm still really cold.
Damn.
You look cute.
I'm still really cold.
I feel so bad, you guys, because Minnesota, it's so hard to bring your children out to do stuff in the wintertime. Like even going outside and playing in the snow, it's so hard because it gets so cold and you have to leave, and because it's like physically not, it's just not gonna happen. It's just too cold out. And so you can't bring your children out to do much, and then you feel guilty like I'm a bad parent, you know, because you can't do stuff. Like we left. We left the holiday train like 20 minutes before it ended, which is sad because I wanted to stay for the whole thing, but it's just too hard.
Really? It's right there. I see it.
This?
No, that's not
A
that.
CD?
Yeah, that's it.
Miley Cyrus. Oh god.
Let's listen to Miley Cyrus, y'all.
Police Party in the USA, right?
You like that song?
That's what it is, isn't it?
Why? Do you like that one?
Is that out of all of her music, that's the only one that was halfway decent for its time?
Gonna stay in bed every day.
Check out this pizza, guys. I love Nick's Pizza. They have the best wings and pizza. Oh, it's so good. I cannot wait to dig into that. They got like the best tasting, like,
You guys.
whatever on them. I can't, look at this. You see this? This is ashton&jon incense.
I love incense.
Right there.
Right there.
It's
You
like
guys.
hit me in the face.
I just want to sit inside now all night. I want to bring our fireplace upstairs. I want to turn the heat to like 78 to 80. Right now it's at 75.
Looks good. Me,
And I just want to stay inside and cuddle and watch Christmas movies.
That sounds good to me too.
You guys, Zoe won't eat the pizza we got her, so look what I made her. It didn't turn out the way it was supposed to, but I got you food. You take it? I got you oranges and I got you a sandwich, okay?
Okay, let's move on.